A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Dear students, I welcome all of you in this offline class. Dear students, today we are going to read EVS of class 5th, and our topic is solar system, and it is second part of this topic. My dear viewers and students, the planets, the solar system which we are going to learn, my dear students, as all of you know that there are 8 planets in our solar system. Dear students, the sun and its family form the solar system. The family of sun consisted of 8 planets which you are seeing right now in the screen. The sun and its family, it forms the solar system. The family of the sun, which is in the middle, consists of 8 planets. The satellites of these planets and pieces of rocks and dust. Dear students, the sun is a huge ball of hot gases. It is the only body in the solar system with its own heat and light. So, if anybody tell you which is the hot ball in the solar system, your response will be the sun is the huge ball of hot gases with its own heat and light. Dear students, the 8 planets of solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Dear students, you have seen lakhs of stars twinkling in the sky during the night. What is a star? Dear students, a star is a ball of hot burning gases with heat and light of its own. The sun is actually a star. Dear students, you have seen a group of stars sometimes during the night in the sky. These group of stars which appears to form different patterns in the sky are called constellation. Sirius is the brightest star that we see during night sky. It looks very smaller because it is much farther away from the earth. That is why it looks smaller. It is also known as the dog star. Dear students, Sirius is 20 times brighter than the sun. If we say what are planets, we have already know that there are 8 planets in our solar system. All these planets move around the sun. The planets have no light of their own. They get heat and light from the sun. Dear students, if you see in the video which is visible on your screen right now, you will see Jupiter is the largest planet, while as Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system. Saturn has beautiful rings around it. Mercury is the closest star to the sun because it is too close to the sun. That is why it is called closest planet to the sun. And Neptune is the farthest. Dear students, our Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet where plants, animals, human beings, insects, butterflies, or we can say different type of living things live. Now, my dear students, you will see that there are 8 planets in our solar system. I told you that there are 8 planets in our solar system. What they do? They rotate around the sun. The name of these planets are, as you right now before this slide you have seen 8 planets. First one is Mercury. I told you that Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and second is Venus, and then the Earth. Earth is a unique planet because it has unique feature like there is air which we breathe, and there is water which is very important for living things survival. Dear students, the name of these planets is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is a planet where the world is possible. A day on the Earth is 23 hours and 56 minutes. Our Earth is a special. It is the only planet in the solar system known to have water and living things. It is the third planet from the sun. It gets just the right amount of heat and light. The amount of heat and light which it gets from the sun is not too hot nor too cold. Dear students, our earth is covered with a layer of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water, and dust particles. This layer is called atmosphere. The atmosphere protects us from the sun's harmful rays. We would not live if there wasn't any oxygen to breathe in. Dear students, if we say about Mars, Mars is the fourth planet closest to the sun. Mars is a small planet than the Earth. Mars is sometimes called the red planet also. If anybody tell you which planet is sometimes called the red planet, your response will be Mars is also called the red planet. Now, Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun, as our Earth is the third planet from the sun, and Jupiter is the fifth planet. It is the largest planet in the solar system. You should keep it in your mind. that Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It has the shortest day out of all planets in the solar system. Its day is 9 hours and 55 minutes. Dear students, now Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. First one planet largest is Jupiter, and second largest planet in the solar system is Saturn. Its day is 10 hours and 13 minutes. Saturn is the planet with most amount of moons. It is the only planet where there are many moons. If we compare Saturn with our planet Earth, our Earth has only one moon, and the Saturn has many moons. Its day is 10 hours and 13 minutes. Saturn is the planet with most amount of moons. It has 34 moons approximately. Now Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is the third largest planet in the solar system. A day on the Uranus is about 7 hours. First largest planet of our solar system is Jupiter, and second largest planet of our solar system is this Saturn, and third largest planet in the solar system is Uranus. A day on the Uranus is about 7 hours, and Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun because it is far away from the Sun, and the closest planet of our solar system is, dear students, the closest planet of our solar system is I told you Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and my dear students, this eighth planet, which is farthest planet from the Sun, it is Neptune. So, my dear students, for your kind information, I will repeat some important pointers. You should keep it in your mind that the Sun is a huge ball of fire, and the family of the Sun includes 8 planets, satellites, and dust and rock particles. The 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Many planets in the solar system have small companions called satellites. The companions of our solar system are called satellites. The Earth satellite is Moon, which you see during the night. What is constellation? Dear students, a constellation is a group of stars which appears to form a pattern in the sky. And what is a planet? Dear students, the members of the solar system without any light of their own is called planet. What is called satellite? Satellite are companions of planet. Dear students, I think it is enough for today. Thank you, my dear students.